In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana for Students 2025, step by step. Whether you're managing a single assignment or juggling multiple classes, this walkthrough will help you set up Asana so you can stay organized and on schedule. First, head to asana.com and create a free account. The sign up only takes a moment, and you can use either a personal or university email. Complete the basic setup by entering your details and choosing a secure password. If you're a student, look for information on activating a free starter plan. Some schools partner with verification services, so follow the prompts Asana provides to unlock any student benefits available to you. Once you're in, create your first project from the left-hand menu using the plus or create button. You can start with a blank project or pick a template geared towards schoolwork, like group projects or research. Give your project a clear, specific name, something like history research paper or biology group project, so it's easy to find later. Open the project overview and add key details, your objective, due dates from the syllabus, grading criteria, and links to resources such as your rubric or reading list. This becomes your central hub. Now start adding tasks to break the work into manageable pieces. Think of each task as one actionable step. Click into a task to assign it to yourself or a teammate using the Asana field, and add a due date to keep everything on track. For multi-step assignments, use subtasks. For example, outline, draft, and edit, so you can move through your process without losing momentum. Clear task names and realistic deadlines make it much easier to stay focused. Next, choose the view that fits your style. List view is great for detailed to-dos. Board view helps you see progress at a glance with columns like to-do, in progress, and completed. And timeline gives you a schedule style overview. If you're working with classmates, use the share or invite option to add them by email. Keep instructions, notes, and links to shared documents in the task description so everyone has what they need in one place. Finally, track your progress. Mark tasks complete as you finish them to build momentum and keep your project current. Check the My Tasks section in the left-hand menu to see everything assigned to you across all projects and sort by due date to prioritize. Use the project overview to monitor milestones and quickly see what's on track or needs attention. That's it. Set up, plan, collaborate, and track. Follow these steps and Asana will become your go-to system for staying organized all semester.